Are you overwhelmed about Dublin's public transport? Are you confused about Leap Card zones and how to pay? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know to use and pay for Dublin buses, trams and trains. By the end of this video, you'll be traveling like a local and also saving money while you do it. So let's get started. First things first. This little card here is your important tool. It is called as the TFI Leap Card and it is your single key for unlocking entire Dublin's public transport easily and economically. It's a prepaid card that lets you make contactless payment on Dublin's public transport and helps you save money on every single trip when compared to buying tickets. Now talking about Leap Cards, there are a couple of different types. For residents, long-term visa holders and also for tourists, the regular green TFI Leap Card is what you really need depending on your travel plans. For students and young adults aged between 15 to 25 years, there's a separate young adult Leap Card that gives you a fantastic 50% off on every fare. However, if you're visiting Dublin for a few days, then you can also go for Visitor Leap Card. I have made a dedicated video on the Visitor Leap Card that will also help you decide which Leap Card best suits your needs. So don't forget to check the video that is showing up on the top right corner now. You can buy Leap Cards or Visitor Leap Card right in the airport when you arrive, or you can also buy them from convenience stores and post offices in the city center. For students, you can apply for young adult Leap Cards by applying online. I've put the link in the description below. Once you've got your Leap Card, the next thing to do is to add money, or also called as the top-up. You can do this by using the ticket machines or by walking into convenience stores and post offices. However, the easiest method to recharge your Leap Card is by using the TFI Leap Top-up app. It is super easy to use this app. Simply place your Leap Card on top of your phone and then select the appropriate amount and then make payment using various modes of payment options. Now let's talk about the best part, how cheap the fares are with a Leap Card. When using Leap Card in Dublin, there's something called as the 90-minute fare. This is a game changer benefit. With this benefit, you only have to pay one flat fare and then you can have unlimited transfers between the bus, Luas and the Dart for the next 90 minutes. For adults, this flat fare is €2. For young adult Leap Cards, it is €1 and for children, it is 65 cents. So you can hop between the Luas, Dart and the bus all in a single fare in that 90-minute duration. Wait, that's not it. It gets even better. The system has something called as the fare capping, with which you will never ever pay more than a certain set amount for a given day or a week as long as you use the Leap Card. The weekly cap runs from Monday to Sunday. These are incredible benefits. Trust me, you want to avoid making payment by buying tickets. They are much more expensive and moreover on buses you have to make exact payment by using coin fare because the drivers don't give back change. Now for the practical part. How do you use the Leap Card on each of these services? For buses, it's simple. When you get on the bus, simply tag on your Leap Card on the card reader machine. You'll find two card reader machines in the bus. Tagging on your Leap Card on the door-sided machine would deduct a flat fare amount from your Leap Card, which is €2. However, if you're traveling short, then tag on your Leap Card on the card reader machine that is placed near the driver. Let him know your destination and he would then deduct the appropriate amount. Next up is the Luas, our tram system. This is where most people end up making common and costly mistakes. So please pay close attention. To pay for the Luas, tag on your Leap Card at the platform validator machine. Doing so would deduct a flat fare amount. After you get down at the destination, then you will have to tag off your Leap Card at the destination validator machine. Doing so would give you some amount back if you have traveled short. So if you forget to tag off, then you might miss out to get this extra credit back. If you forget to tag on your Leap Card before getting on the Luas, then you could be caught by Luas inspectors who could heavily fine you. So that would turn out to be an expensive ride. Finally, we have the DART, our coastal trains. The good news is that if you have mastered using the Luas, then DART works exactly the same. Simply tag on your Leap Card at the entry barrier gates or validator machine when you start your journey, and tag off your Leap Card at the destination gates or validator after you finish your journey. Forget Google Maps. For real-time accuracy, the one app that you must download is the official TFI Live App. With this app, you will get real-time departure information for each of the services like bus, train and tram. With this app, you can see when exactly your bus, train or tram is due to arrive and not just when it is scheduled. You can also plan your journey from A to B, and this app will show you all of the routes available across various modes of public transport. My favorite part about this app is that you can add your home stop, your office stop or any other stop that you commonly use as your favorite for easy access. This app is a must-have for stress-free travel experience here in Dublin. Dublin's public transport is generally good at this. All buses are low-floored and have space to accommodate at least one wheelchair. You do not have to do advanced booking for this. All Luas are completely accessible with lifts and ramps at every platform. Most DART stations are accessible. However, it's a good idea to contact Irish Rail 24-hour service beforehand to ensure that there is enough staff assistance or ramp availability at the locations that you need. So that's it. Now you can conquer Dublin's public transport like a local. So let's do a quick recap on the golden rules. Firstly, don't forget to get a Leap Card. It is the easiest and the most economical way to pay for Dublin's public transport. Second, don't forget to take advantage of the 90-minute fare and daily capping. Thirdly, don't forget to tag off your Leap Card after you have got on from the Luas and the DART. Lastly, don't forget to download the TFI Live App for tracking real-time schedules. By the way, I'm Deepti and I make videos for people who are visiting and living in Ireland. If you have found this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You might also find my other useful guides like all you need to know about Dublin Airport, how to get to Dublin City from the airport, and the most economical option for airport transfer here in Ireland. So don't forget to check it out.